I'm CEO of TreePeople, a beloved environmental nonprofit in Los Angeles. We are committed to making Los Angeles more climate resilient by going out and organizing people to plant trees in their neighborhoods, in their schools, in parks, anywhere we could get trees in the ground. There's no doubt that the changing climate is amongst the world's most pressing problems. We are seeing trees dying at just rapid, catastrophic rates. California just lived through its deadliest fire. People lost their lives. People lost their homes. People lost their pets. And some people lost hope that they could continue to live in neighborhoods that they love. TreePeople believes that we can ensure that neighborhoods are better prepared for wildfires that will come. We will have more wildfires. So what we're doing is that we are in neighborhoods like the Santa Monica Mountains and other high fire zones. We're in there removing invasive plants that contribute to deadlier fires. We are planting trees that are better able to withstand intense fires like native oak trees and walnut trees. But more importantly, we are organizing neighbors to know each other, know what the plan is when fires come, but then also be part of TreePeople and help us restore the land so that the land is better able to withstand fires, droughts, floods, and so many other threats that we're seeing because of the changing climate. Trees function like the lungs of the city. Trees allow us to capture pollutants and carbon from the air. Trees help to cool our neighborhoods like sponges, where they could capture water when it rains. Trees help us with wildlife and birds, pollinators, and allow us to actually have a community that's safer, that's cleaner, and ultimately that's more climate resilient. We have to pay extra attention to the communities that have very low tree canopy coverage. Communities where kids cannot walk to school without being exposed to extreme heat. More people die of extreme heat than every other natural disaster combined. That means that we need to make sure that we cool communities. And the researchers, the scientists have shown that there is no better way to cool a community than to plant more trees. So if we plant more trees, we are going to save more lives. TreePeople is quickly becoming the global center for climate action. Located in a 400+ acre park right in the heart of Los Angeles. TreePeople manages 45 acres of this park. There's a wonderful 3-mile hiking trail. There are activities for students and kids, and over 10,000 students come up on eco tours. So many Angelenos are connected to TreePeople because they remember as a child coming up on one of our eco tours. We offer workshops on how you can maintain a sustainable garden and landscaping, workshops on how you too can become a tree person and organize tree planting events in your neighborhood. We at TreePeople believe that every human being is connected or can be connected to a tree in their neighborhood or somewhere in the world. So we have launched a global movement to make everybody a tree person. We want to engage millions of people from all over the world to come together to plant trees in their neighborhoods, in their mountains, in their parks, in their schools. Because that will be one of the most critical things that we do in our life to ensure that we live in a community that's more climate resilient and that we change forever the direction that we are currently moving, and we leave an earth, a world, nature that is healthier for future generations.